100-meter freestyle, Gabi in lane 3.
Yan ang lane 2, oh. Lane 2, lane 1. Ano lang dito, di ba? Oh.
Tanawang lawas.
Mo lagi.
Go, Gab! Sorry.
Take your mark. Sweeping on lane 1, Isabel Marquez, Tagbilaran City. Lane 2, Juvie Blair Prospect, Tagbilaran City. Lane 3, Casey Gabriel Pioco, Dumaguete City. Lane 4, Zuriel Kenzie Galo, Cebu Province. Lane 5, Mary Margaret Chu, Mantawi City. Lane 6, Pauline Alvanico, Dumaguete City. Lane 7, Jamil Marie Navana, Mantawi City. Lane 8, Lara Ian Francesca Tapago, Cebu Province.